So, ito na nga po yung verdict for 2025 October. Electricity rate overall. Tan-tananan! Tumataginting na 13.94 kilowatt per hour. 0.23 peso increase versus September 2025. Sabi niya, this is due to higher generation charges. So, okay, how does this impact your bill? Tignan natin, no? Kung gumagamit ka ng 200 kilowatt per hour sa bahay nyo, so, papatak niyan, yung 2664 noon, dati pala, yung dati mong bill is magpa-plus 47 pesos. Pag 400 kilowatt per hour naman, or kilowatt hour, it's plus 93 pesos. And kapag 800, naku po, 186 pesos ang madadagdag sa'yo. Well, yes, of course, sa iba, maaari, okay lang, maliit lang tong dagdag na ito. But for a normal Filipino na, sakto lang yung kanilang monthly income, then maybe it's a bit too much. So what do you guys think? Okay, if you want more contents like this, please do like and follow.